First, choose an affiliate program that is part of your niche, and then sign up to become an affiliate with the program you chose. You should look into websites such as ClickBank, Amazon, and DigitStore24. We recommend signing up with ClickBank and or DigitStore24 first if you're a beginner, because you can sign up fast and they don't have any requirements. Amazon has requirements to get into their affiliate marketing program, such as having a website, and it takes time for you to get approved. Once you're signed up, choose the product you want to promote. This can be a physical product or even a digital product like ebooks and courses. Then get your unique link and go to bit.ly.com to shorten your link and make it more presentable for your audience. And remember, when someone buys from your link, you'll receive a commission. Then start creating content and give value to your specific audience. Let's say you're in the animal niche and you're promoting a cat training, which is an affiliate program. You need to start creating videos about cats, such as cat health, breeds, food, and other interesting topics. Then post these videos on social media, such as on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Then post the affiliate link under each video, and this is done differently for each social media platform. Take advantage by promoting for free. On YouTube, you can repurpose your TikToks and post them as YouTube Shorts without the watermark. Then post your affiliate link in the description of your video. You can also post longer YouTube videos and promote your affiliate link in the description. You can also take advantage of the community tab by creating a post, including your affiliate link. And just for you to know that YouTube does require 500 subscribers for you to access this community tab. For TikTok, you can post your affiliate link in your bio, but you need to have 1,000 followers on TikTok to have this feature. TikTok is one of the easiest platforms to grow on because of its organic reach, which also means free traffic. Just know that you have to be consistent and patient. So start posting TikToks to reach that goal. On Instagram, you can post your affiliate link in your bio. You can repurpose your TikToks and post them as Instagram Reels, and then post your affiliate link under your Instagram Reels in the description of each video. You can also post your affiliate link on your Instagram story to bring traffic and possibly make sales. On Facebook, you can repurpose your TikToks and post them as Facebook Reels without the watermark. Facebook Reels are relatively new, so take advantage of its organic reach. You can also create a post and put your affiliate link. You can also monetize your Facebook Reels and make up to $35,000 each month. We have a separate video of how you can monetize your Facebook Reels and make up to $35,000 each month. The video is linked down below. And thanks for watching.